talking about matter and energy and how these relate to biological systems. So matter fundamentally are the elements like carbon and hydrogen and oxygen. And then the energy can be stored in molecules, like the energy that is stored within organic molecules like carbohydrates. Energy could also be the solar energy that is used to capture carbon dioxide from the atmosphere and store it as sugar. And we're going to talk about how these interrelate with one another in order to move through our systems. So ultimately, energy is required to fuel our organization and also to power many of the things that that happen on the planet. So for example, we can talk about the water cycle and how water evaporates from the ocean because of the sunlight, the energy of the sun. And then it forms into clouds, and those clouds move because of changes in pressure, energy. And then they come over the land masses, the clouds build up around mountains, and then they rise. And as they rise, water begins to condense and cause rain. And then the rain comes down, and then ultimately it goes into the living systems, into us, into organisms, and then maybe ultimately back into water, rivers and streams, and then back into the ocean. So this idea of material cycling and the role that energy plays in that cycling is fundamental to our understanding of ecosystems, of communities and populations, and even of individual organisms. So let me know if you have any questions about this week's topics, and I hope you enjoy the content.